In front of me is Hotwav T5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view. You need to begin by opening two of your apps in the background, in my case Chrome and Messages. Now access background apps. In order to do that with Tricky's navigation, use this button on the left. Now decide which app you wish to use on the top half of your screen and tap on the icon of it. Then select split screen and click on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way down or all the way up and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!